Hello students, in this video we will learn about the concept of electric field. To understand the concept of electric field clearly, watch this video by end, then you will get the concept clearly. In the previous video we had studied about the Coulomb's law. What is the Coulomb's law? According to the Coulomb's law, if 2 point charges are placed very close to each other, then the electrostatic force is acting between them. Consider about 2 point charges. Let this is Q1 and this is Q2. The separation between them is R. So electrostatic force is acting between them. Now we have to consider about the electrostatic force on Q2. If the distance is increased of Q2 from Q1, the electrostatic force will decrease from this formula 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. If R is increased, F will decrease. Again the distance of Q2 is increased, the force will decrease. After some distance, the electrostatic force on Q2 will be 0. If this point charge is placed at this point, so the electrostatic force will be experienced by Q2, and in increasing the distance, the force will decrease. If this point charge is at this point, then the force will be experienced by Q2, and in increasing the distance, force will decrease. After some distance, force will be 0. If this point charge is at this point, it will experience some electrostatic force. On increasing the distance, force will be decreased, and after some distance, here force will be 0. Here conclusion is that surrounding this Q1 charge, here electrical environment is developed around this point charge, or electrical field. This is called electrical field, up to which the electrostatic force is experienced by Q2 charge. Okay, this field is called electric field. Okay, outside this electric field, the electrostatic force on Q2 is not there. Okay, this electrical environment is called electric field. This is the concept of electric field. Okay, to test the existence of this electric field, here test charge Q0 is taken. This charge is called test charge. Okay, and this charge Q1 is called source charge, because the electric field is determined here due to Q1. That's why this is called the source charge. Okay, now to measure the electric field in this area, here electric field is denoted by vector E. This electric field is also called the intensity of electric field or the electric field strength. Actually, what is the electric field strength, or what is the intensity of electric field, or what is the electric field? Electric field is the electrostatic force acting on test charge due to this charge in this electrical environment. Okay, this is equal the electrostatic force on unit positive test charge Q0. This test charge is taken as positive charge. Okay, this is the formula of electric field, or intensity of electric field, or electric field strength. But here a difficulty is there. If this charge is bigger, then the electric field will be disturbed. So the test charge must be vanishingly small, so that this the electric field should not be disturbed by Q0. Okay, so the value of electric field will be vector E equal vector F. Here we have to take here the limit. So limit Q naught tending to 0 and vector F upon this. This is the formula of electric field or intensity of electric field or electric field strength. Okay, understood? This is the concept and this is the formula of electric field. I hope you would have understood the concept. Okay, thanks.